Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the text in your video, how you can do the texting in the Filmora. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Filmora 13 and we have to open this. And after that, as you can see, we have to drag the clip which we want to use. For example, I'm going to drag this clip here. So let's put this. And I want to use this clip here as well. So we have to put these both clips here. And now simply we have to go to the title section and we have to choose that which format you want to use, which title you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one here, so we have to drag this here. As you can see now, this is the design. You can, if you want to check out the preview, this text will be like this. If you want to use a different one, you can also do that. As you can see, if you want to check out the preview, you can also check out this one here. You have to download which one you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. So we have to simply drag this into our timeline, and now you can check out. As you can see, now the different types of texts are provided here. If you want to edit this, simply we have double click on this, and as you can see, we will be in the editing mode. Now simply we have to write whatever you want to write here. For example, I'm going to write the 1 dash Filmora here. So simply we have to write the Filmora. I'm going to write it. It's up to you what you want to write. And after that, as you can see, simply we have to click on the OK. If you want to change these settings, these all settings are provided here, like the texting and alignments and the color, and we have to click on the OK. So in this way, you can add the texting in the Filmora 13. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.